Hi there, Justin from sharepickers.com here, and I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of videos here. The first one is about an extended trading range or a support level, which is what I talked about in the blog there at sharepickers.com. Now, as you can see, this is African potash. This is the first trade I made in my £1 million stock punt experiment. And as you can see, this is a 6-month chart, okay? Each one of these candles is a day's trading. And you can see back here in, when was this? April, pretty much it hit a low. That low was around spot 275. So, and then as you can see, it traded up and down here. It hit about 0.5, half a pence there. Trading up and down, up and down, up and down. Low there. It extended its low there, bounced straight back up. And of course, they did actually... I think we're placing it 0.3 pence. So you can see around by 0.3 pence. If I click on here, what does this say? Yeah, if I put 0.3 on there, so you can see 0.3 pretty much. It's quite a solid support level there. And it held that for, from March until pretty much August, which is over 6 months, I think, if we do the math. So you can say, and like I said in the blog there, the longer a price stays within a range for, the stronger the support, which is the bottom, and resistance of that stock. Like it tried to break through. I think I bought it around there, I think, or one of these breakouts here where it touched the 0.5. So I bought at the top of the trading range and it came down to 0.3. So that's pretty much a 40% loss. So I was sitting on a 40% loss there when I could have bought it at the bottom of a trading range. But this has shown pretty much all the bad news is out there about this stock. It's been hammered. Like if we go back up to let's look 2 years. It's down from 4 pence. All the way up there, 4 pence, down to below half a pence. And you can see nowhere else on this chart is an extended trading range as long as that, on a support level as strong as that. And so you can say, all the bad news was baked into that stock. And so let's go back to the 6 month chart. And so if it sort of broke out, out of this range, you could have put, an order in here, I suppose. So look at the last high, above the last high, which is pretty much there. And you could have put it at 0.6 maybe, and you'd probably double your money to 0.2. It did go up there, but then you're struggling to double your money. I mean, if you'd bought it at 0.3, which was where the placing price was, you could have doubled your money at 0.6 pretty much. So look for a stock that's been in a trading range for a while and has carved out a decent support level that looks very strong, and also therefore a decent resistance level looks quite strong as well. And you could have said that really, if it'd broken above, that 0.5 at any time after this few months, then it probably would have gone higher. And it broke the 200-day moving average here. So that's the chart. So that's one of the traits, the 5 traits of a possible, multi-bagger penny stock is an extended support level. Okay, let's go to sitemap on ADV Fan. Scroll down, click that as a UK screener you need, and in brackets filter X. There's a lot of presets here, but we don't want that. We want to start our own filter to look for penny stock. So as you can see, there's 26 pages here, 100 companies on each page. So maximum, 2,600 companies. So let's add some columns, key figures, market cap. Yes, I need that because I'm looking for small stocks with the market cap. Shares and issues is very important. Like I said in the blog there at sharepickers.com, you don't want too many shares in issue. Yesterday's closing price, I need that. Yes, I'm looking for penny stocks. What else do I need? Spread. I want companies that are quite liquid, having a low spread, because if you buy a penny stock with a 20% spread, and that can happen, there is quite a few there, then you buy the company, you're down 20% already. Volume, yes, I want to see that the shares are, a lot of shares are traded. What else do I want to look at? Let's go for liquidity ratios. So quick ratio acid test, that means do they have enough assets to cover their debt, pretty much, if they have to sell everything. So you want there's a ratio of 1 or more. So let's go first of all look at the market cap. If you click within that column, you get the option there to add your criteria. So exclude companies greater than 10 million, and so submit that. And like I said, already down to 5 pages here. That's all we got from 26. Shares in issue. You can get billions of shares in issue. I don't know about a bad gateway here. I don't know what that means. But click exclude shares 1,000 there. So it's excludes any company with shares more than 1 billion shares in issue. Yesterday's close. I'll go with, I'm looking for penny stocks, obviously, because they're quite volatile and they're more likely to double in price. Exclude companies greater than 5 pence. So let's click that, submit. Down to 2 pages now. Spread, I don't want spread any bigger than 10%, like I said. I don't know why it's doing this, it's saying bad gateway. I've never had this before. Don't know why it's doing that. So 10% there, exclude spread percentage above 10%. We're down to 1 page, and volume is very important. I want to see at least 1 million shares traded in 1 day. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. So less than that. So less than that volume. And quick ratio. Let's see. So I want things above pretty much 1. So click there. Oh, bad gateway. What is it with the bad gateways? I don't understand that. It's never had that. So exclude companies with less than that. I've got a bad gateway as well. But it says save it by the looks of it. So there we go. There's 10 companies there that you can look at that could be the next penny stock punt experiment company. That could be the next multi-bagger or double bagger. So we've got Atlas Developments, Metal Tiger, Seb Resources, Savannah Resources, Mosman Oil and Gas, Armdale Cap, African Potash, Fitbug, Vipera, and Fastnet Oil and Gas. So there's a simple way to set up a screener to look for companies that have certain criteria. Hope that helps. So there we go. I showed you how to look for a screener and also looking at extended support level ranges. Hope that helped. By the way, if you want to sign up to my blog, go to sharepickers.com and I'll try and send out an email once a week with some useful resources on it. Cheers.